Women.
Women have to break that stereotype that if you're married and if you have kids, then you can only go in teaching profession.
Yes.
That is the only profession for you.
They are like water, the source of life, adaptable to any environment.
We can deliver equally as a man can.
They are the nurturers, the birth givers, the creator of magic and miracles.
लड़कियां काफ़ी अच्छी मैनेजर होती हैं, so they can manage things.
Women.
Is a feeling of pride for us that yes, females are leading the human resource department.
They can move mountains, they can take over lands.
Things you do for things you love.
And as time has shown us through ancient civilizations until now, we need them. You need them.
तो why should not we take the courage? हम डर जाते हैं तो हम दम के रह जाते हैं.
So today we take the courage to tell our stories through our lens. Men are from Mars, women are from Venus.
If we talk about masculine and feminine energy in general, males are always told to be more logical, having the goal-oriented approach, and females are said to have more creative, process-oriented approach.
So there is this difference of creativity, difference of opinion, which is actually not bad. When you have difference of opinion, you can come up with new ideas, better ideas.
Moreover, women is having a blessing towards soft skills, I would say. They do have some emotional intelligence competencies, be it empathy, be it conflict management, be it self-awareness. So definitely having more and more women in an organization is equally important, be it technical roles or be it in a non-technical role.
Right now, we are giving equal opportunities. Companies all around the world, they're focusing on diversity so much that they're hiring more and more women, and they are also aware. They're aware that we are delivering as much as a man can, right?
Leader.
See, if we talk about particularly for our team, definitely the majority of team members are females, which is a feeling of pride for us that yes, females are leading the human resource department.
So when I joined as a fresher and Node.js was new. So people used to ask questions and I was able to answer, and sometime if I not, then Google it. If I can do anything that my team is doing, then only I can motivate them to do it. If they are writing code, I can also write. और मैं कर भी लेती हूँ. इससे कुछ इशू है अभी रिसेंटली ऐसा था, मुझे लगा ये कर देना चाहिए, rather than asking them to do, just pushed my code. बोला ऐसे करते हैं देख लो. Because if I don't know like what they are working, and let's say if they have any problem, then I will not be able to resolve that. I don't want to say anything like motivational speaker, not like that. Rather than that, I try to understand their problem, what problem they are facing, and I try to keep myself in their position and then solve that problem based on that.
How safe do you feel here?
We being into HR role, plus we being women ourselves, do understand what other women employees or staff might be going through.
If you stay late for work, then they provide you the cab. So yeah, they don't compromise with the women's safety. It's really, I mean, sometimes it was like the CEO telling the people, "तो कार ले जाओ मेरी, को घर drop करके आओ, ऐसे करके." I've heard these stories.
Guards over here, they escort you to your car so that you
Feel
make
safe.
sure that you are good to go.
Leaving early is a good option that successive give us, because for women we also have to consider this, that you are not alone when you're traveling in metro or buses, so reach home and then continue our work. So for this I would like to rate Successive Technology 10 on 10 on women work-life balance.
I do agree.
I do agree. And apart from this, we also have POSH, Prevention of Sexual Harassment policy in place, for which we have this ICC committee.
Over-friendliness is something that is not every woman is comfortable with, and you have to understand where you have to draw the line, so people here know that. We have a very friendly environment. ऐसा कुछ भी strict नहीं है, but yeah, you have to certainly follow the decorum of an office. Apart from that, we have a very cool and chilled out environment, so it's a really good thing about Successive.
Mother.
A female gives birth, she would train you. She would also keep you involved in the playful activities so that her child does not get bored of the training or the education that he or she is getting. Same we are doing being in the HR department. We hire, we train our staff over here, but we simultaneously we keep them engaged in the employee engagement activities. We keep on having fun, and that's how we, being the women, are contributing here.
I'm a woman. I'm also a mother of 2 kids. I have 8 years of gap. Between this gap, I was a teacher. I did my B.Ed. I did NTT, that is for nursery teacher training. After 8 years of gap, my husband motivate me. You have to go to your field again because I was not satisfied in that field. Then यहाँ पे निकला. They do not care about your gap or anything else. उनको सिर्फ फोकस था कि नॉलेज कितना है, कितना कर सकती है ये. So I think if I can do after such a long gap, then any other mother can also do. बच्चों के लिए हम छोड़ते हैं, but अब any time you can start. थोड़ा खुद को डेयरिंग करना है.
Empowered women empower women.
We are giving this idea that we are equal. We can deliver equally as a man can.
If they will have right to speak or right to work or equality is given in the workplace, they would also represent that outside the office and would give the same learning to their kids or in the family. So I think this is going to make a good change.
You can find a lot of women here in Successive who are at a senior position and they are representing the company. Like if I take a name, Sapna Prati, she is on a senior level and she has represented this company. She has gone to London for this.
Let's say if I want to do something from heart, then I should follow that with passion, and I shouldn't think about being a girl, I can't stay late, I can't do code, and I can't do these things because I have so many responsibilities. मेरे को ये करना है घर पे, मेरे को ये करना है. So वो चीज़ें साइड में, क्योंकि वो सब मैनेज हो जाती हैं. वैसे भी लड़कियां काफ़ी अच्छी मैनेजर होती हैं, so they can manage things. So you can manage both things quite easily if you want.
Now I am 34 and these are very younger than me. मुझे इनके साथ मिलके ही काम करना है. So if everyone is welcoming you, अगर सब आपको cooperate कर रहे हैं, then why you not taking the chance to start your career again?
Women have to break that stereotype that if you're married and if you have kids, then you can only go in teaching profession.
Yes.
That is the only profession for you.
हम ये सोच के रह जाते हैं कि हाय मेरा बच्चा कैसे रहेगा, क्या खाएगा. बट ठीक है, बच्चे बढ़ते हैं, हम भी बढ़े हैं, मेरे पेरेंट्स जॉब में थे. तो why should not we take the courage? हम डर जाते हैं तो हम दब के रह जाते हैं.
Yes.
I am she who waits through the night. I am she who equals the strength of his light.